So this is my current situation right now. So messed up. So where should I start? I should start here on my empty box. Yeah, so empty. And these are the stuffs that I'll be using for my painting and my paintbrushes. And so now I'm heading back to my studio, and these are what I got from Lazada. So I'm done unboxing with this stuff, so I'll be posting also here my video of my unboxing, so stay tuned. Okay, so good morning. It's 5:45 a.m. and I'm awake, and I still have to continue my painting for today. And yeah, it's very early, and I really need to wake up. I need to finish this one because I really need to submit this on time. So I'll be posting also, publishing in this video my unboxing, what I got in Lazada. So yeah. So this is it for today, guys. If you want to know more about the products that I use for my painting, please comment down below, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Peace and love. Mwah.